So today we're looking at mixed ionic compounds. And when you hear the word mixed, you should understand that you will have both simple ionic and complex ionic compounds that you're trying to either write the names for the formulas or write formulas from the names. But if you're trying to write the name from the formula, how do you know if that cation goes into the family with the simple ones or does it belong to a complex one? Well, one of the things that you can look at is where the metal, okay, that first element, I should say, where the cation, is located on the periodic table. If that cation is a metal from groups 1A, 2A, 3A, and you might be looking like 1A, 2A, 3A, what are you talking about? So if we go here, group 1A is the same as group 1, group 2A is the same as group 2, group 3A is the same as group 13. Okay, so if it's groups 1, 2, 13, which is where I get the 1A, 2A, 3A from, or if it's a particular transition metal, and I've listed those here. We have zinc, Zn, silver, Ag, cadmium, and scandium, Cd and Sc, respectively. If the cation comes from this group here, then you will just go through. The cation's name is the same as the element's name. There's nothing special you do. The sodium Na plus is the sodium ion. Sr2 plus is the strontium ion. Zinc, when it becomes an ion, has a charge of 2 plus and is still called zinc. There are no Roman numerals. You just put the name of the cation, the name of the anion, and you're done. On the flip side, if it's a complex ion, that means it is a transition metal or it is lead or tin. Pb is lead and Sn is tin. And if that is the case, that's where we have to use the Roman numeral in the name. And remember from previously, the Roman numeral's purpose is to tell you the charge. So examples that I have here, I have Cu plus, okay, Cu plus, and that is copper with a charge of 1 plus, so that's copper 1. Cu2 plus is copper 2, and Fe3 plus is iron 3. And so that is required for you when you're naming these compounds. So the charge is now known, and that's how you can figure out if it is simple or if it is complex if you're dealing with mixed ionic compounds.